As you can see, my carriage is at the left now. I've set my row counter back to 7. I'm ready to go. And it will tell me that at row 10 I have to add some stitches to make sure the trailing end of the carriage, whichever way you're going, goes past the point cam so it can register. So I've now knitted row 8, row 9. Now Designaknit is making noises at me, telling me that I need to increase some stitches. Increase 1 stitch on the left and increase 1 stitch at the right. So I'm just going to, I could do various things. I could do shaping, I could bring one needle forward, or I could take a needle out just on the edge. I'm not sitting at a very good angle here. Take a stitch out on the edge and have a lace hole, or I can fill that in by picking the heel of the stitch up and filling that stitch in to make an invisible increase. Or if I wanted to, I can do a fully fashioned increase, which I'll do on this side to show you the difference, where you take, I'm using a 3 needle transfer tool, you take 3 stitches out to the side, and then you do the same thing. If you don't want a lace hole, you have to fill that stitch in. So you pick up the heel of this stitch to the inside stitch and you put it out onto that empty needle, and now you've filled in the increase. And you carry on like this. Designaknit is happy now. You carry on. My next increase is going to be soon. It's now telling me, it beeped, and it's telling me that my increase, I have to increase 1 stitch on the left and 1 stitch on the right. So I do the same increase again. Now, because I don't want to bore you with picking up stitches, I'm just going to bring the needle forward, which will make a lace hole on the increase. But I just want to show you the principle, really, not the increase at the moment. So now I go 1, 2, 3. Always make sure you clear the point cam. Designaknit's telling me again to increase a stitch at the left and another at the right. And when I get as wide as the point cams, it will give me new instruction. And I've just got, I think, 10 more rows to go. So I'll submit those. Oh, did I do the increase? No, I didn't do the increase. Sorry, I have to do the increase. Whoops. And then knit those extra rows. And if you watch the Designaknit screen that will be coming up shortly, you'll see that the Designaknit counts down for you. So it now I've got 4 rows to go, 3 rows to go, 2 rows to go, 1 row to go. And I've now finished the piece. Cast off remainder, end of piece. So I've now knitted the sleeve, I've got to the end, and I've worked my cast off, which I will do, and I'll show you the sleeve, but you don't want to see me casting off. And that's it. That's how it works. That's just on plain knitting. You have to have your tension right, clearly. If you don't have the tension right, it will never be the right size. But if you've done a tension swatch, you've finished it as you intend to finish your garment, so you've either steamed it or washed it, let it rest, counted correctly, put that tension into Designaknit, your garment will be the size you want it to be.